Hey everyone, Harry from Thinking Software here. Today we're going to be looking at how to approve or reject someone's time off request in RotaOne. So let's go through this together. Firstly, you're going to want to navigate to RotaOne. Once there, you'll be able to see the time off requests section on the home page. After you've set up and attached the correct holiday profile to your colleagues, they'll be able to request time off through the self-service app. Once the time off request is submitted, it will come through here, and you'll need to approve or reject this request. Click the View All button, and it will bring you to the time off requests page. Once you have loaded into the time off requests area, you'll be able to see the request they sent through. The request will give you all the relevant information regarding the time off. To approve or reject a time off request, all you'll need to do is click on the View button on the far right-hand side of the page. Usually, if someone's rota has already been created, or they are in a pre-deployed shift pattern, it will appear like so. If not, you can create the slots within the approval page by deselecting the Do Not Create slider here. To approve the time off, click the Approve Request in the top right corner. Doing this will bring up this page. You can add notes if necessary and create a cover slot. When ready, click OK, and you've just approved the person's time off. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us through email or by phone.